See, I mean, this is not only an assault. Two of our colleagues were thrashed. They were assaulted, abused, and intimidated. And there has been a pattern. How journalists have been intimidated and called for questioning. And this is an ugly pattern which needs to be stopped, and a message needs to be telegraphed that this is an attack on the freedom of press and freedom of expression, and that's why it's important to register your democratic protest, peaceful protest, so that you can't get away by beating, assaulting, and abusing journalists.